It's so hard to get out there and trust people when you are a survivor of abuse because, for me, the first people that you're supposed to be able to trust are your parents.
That's true.
And one of those two people I couldn't. And it could be so easy to never trust anybody because you've been betrayed like that. But I try to say that I'm not going to let what he did or what that former friend did, I'm not going to let that cloud my judgment when it comes to new people, because if they burn me for my trust, that's on them. That's not on me. If I put my trust in somebody and they take advantage of it, I'm not the one who's wrong in that situation. It's them. And I'm not going to, like you talk about feeling embarrassed, I'm not going to feel embarrassed about it because I'm the one doing the right thing. I'm the one saying, I'm going to not hold you accountable. I'm going to see red flags better. If I see that you're doing something that doesn't seem right, I'm probably going to notice that a lot earlier.